Okay, guys, so we have Ihor from Make Service. So the great news coming from Davos, from Michael. So can you tell more about what you're building, guys, in Make? From whole ecosystem of CSPR Wallet, CSPR Studio, Market, and CSPR Click, Cloud, everything. Let's go.
As a company, Make is focused on enabling other developers to build on top of the ecosystem. And we have a set of products for that. First of all, it's Casper Cloud that provides a simplified middleware layer to interact with the network data. It's Casper Wallet that provides integration with the network for consumers. It's Casper Click that will integrate all the wallets in one place and make it easier for developers to have one integration set of multiple. And of course, it's Casper Live that observes network data and everybody can see what's going on. Those products are aimed to simplify the development and to make it easier for developers to build their apps. We also build consumer-facing products, and it's focusing in the NFT space. It's Casper Studio that allows people to touch NFT with their bare hands and mint it on Casper network. And we will be releasing Casper Market soon, and it's an NFT marketplace on top of Casper network.
Okay, so I know that right now the standard that are running on the CSPR Studio or NFT market is a CEP47. So when the new standard? The friendly market is first one. So when you're going, guys, to update your standard?
One is easy. Once we have event support in CP78 standard, what friendly market did, they forked it and they added CP47 style events for CP78 contracts. It gave me faster time to market. But CP47 is it's expensive format. We suggest our proposal of Casper event standard, which we want everybody in the ecosystem to use until native events arrive. It's very compact. It basically consumes as many bytes in the store as the underlying structure require. So there is no extra overhead. We already created a PR to the CP78 standard actually last week, and we hope that it will be included in 1.2. On our end, we released a library called Casper Event Standard. It's available on GitHub. It's also pushed to Cargo, so people can use it in their smart contracts. And it takes all the complexity behind emitting contract level events. So it's really easy to use. It doesn't have extensive README for now, but the examples are self-explanatory. Meanwhile, we are also developing libraries for consumers, for applications that want to consume events, and we're providing libraries for JavaScript, not JS, and for Golang. So those are coming next couple of months.
And of course, Casper Wallet. So you're going to release from the private beta testing. Casper Wallet is going to be on open beta testing in 2 weeks, something like that?
So Casper Wallet was under security audit from Holborn. All the issues were addressed, and it's a matter of the next couple of weeks until it's released to open beta. That's correct.
Okay, that's nice. And another one service is a Casper name service. So I could buy my own domain, rectvojak.cspr, right?
Yeah. Yeah, you can, but it's not about buying domains. It's not it's about simplifying the usage. Because one of big issues is blockchain. The blockchain is a technology. It's a technology that enables products that bring value to people. And for people to use the technology, it has to be simple. And for many people, it's really hard to comprehend what are all those hexadecimal hashes. It's what it's all about. When I transfer my tokens, I want to transfer them actually maybe to rect work, right? Not to 10 DE A, etc. Right? So Casper name is about that simplification and about convenience and maybe peace of mind when you're transferring tokens, because like it's much easier to see, hey, I'm transferring tokens like to like this actual person or company rather than hashes. So that's all about, and yeah, that's upcoming in the next year.
Next year?
It's starting building. We are starting building it as Markel announced in Davos. Yeah.
So everything will come more in next year, or more will come this year? Like finish the.
We're already in 23. Yeah, it's all about 23. Yeah.
Smooth. Oh, smooth.
Yeah, I'm still in 2020 mentally. Yeah. It's been already months. Yeah. Yes, it's all the projects are under development. Obviously, it's not just ideas.
Okay, so let's come back to the most used phrase in Casper. So soon, it's coming soon.
Well, it's technology. It's not. It's not only a property of Casper, and it applies to any technologies. In reality, when people give you a hard date, it's typically you have like some trade-off. You typically get a date which is like safe enough to commit, and it delivered probably like later than it could be, or you lose on quality, right? So like you commit too early, and the force engineers just to rush, which like causes mistakes and so on.
Yeah, I give you an example. So there is a game, Cyberpunk, coming from CD Projekt Red. So they delayed one or two times, and game published crappy at the beginning. So let's delay them as much as possible to release a good quality product, right?
Well, look, about Cyberpunk, they like tried to deliver a lot at once. They did a massive progress, and they tried to ship the industry. It obviously takes time. It's much smarter to deliver in iterations, right? Because you don't need like a full package of everything, like final functionality, like tomorrow. We start with small pieces. We deliver first iteration that provides functionality that people can use already today, and we keep iterating and increasing value and quality. So that's so yes, it's soon, obviously, because many people are reluctant to give like estimates until it's fully analyzed, and it's still many topics in Casper are still in R&D. People are fighting with gas costs and optimizing the economy, but it shouldn't be like taking years as CD project.
Okay, it's coming, guys. Cut.